Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to use the KitchenAid Professional 5 Series Plus. I just want to show you how to put the hooks on and how to lift the bowl. So these are the hooks that it comes with. As you can see, this is for making bread, and this is for making bread. This is your all-purpose hook. So the way you put it on is you just line it up right here. Just line it up with this notch, and then you just turn it, and that's pretty much it. Then what you want to do is you put all your ingredients in the bowl, okay? And then what you want to do is you want to turn this to the back. So you lift it, see? Watch this. See? You lift it to the back until it comes to the top. You'll stop right here, okay? So you can't go any further. And then to lower the bowl, you would do the same thing like this. And yeah, so that's how you use the bowl. And then to turn on the KitchenAid, all you have to do, as you can see, is off. And there's different speeds, 1 to 10. So here, watch. I'm gonna change it to 1. See, this is slow speed, very slow speed. And here's 2. Faster and faster. Here's the max speed, 10. This thing is number 10. And it is kind of loud, but yeah, usually only 10. Well, I think most of the time you can just do like 4 or 5 and it'll be fine. So after you finish mixing your stuff on the KitchenAid, then you just turn this right here. Turn this right here. And then you have to remove your hook. You just turn this and it comes out. You just turn it. Let me see here. Okay, you just gotta turn it. Okay. So you actually have to lift it up first and then turn it, okay? It has a little safety. It comes out. And then this bowl, all you have to do is just pull it out when it comes out. You see now this bowl, you have to tilt it a little bit and then it comes out and then you'll be all set. So this is how you use the KitchenAid. This is the Professional 5 series, and this is the one with the lever. And this is the best KitchenAid to get. This is better than those Artisan, the ones that tilts, because those are not strong. This is a very strong KitchenAid. It'll last you easy 10-15 years, I think. But here is the attachment if you want to see. So here is the meat grinder attachment, or you can pretty much put anything. There's different kinds of attachments. This is just what keeps it together. And here's the attachment. Yeah, meat attachment is popular. There's some other attachments that you can get, but it's one solid piece. It's very heavy. It weighs a lot, okay? It weighs a lot. It's not gonna tilt or anything. It is noisy, but it's very strong and good. So that's why I recommend you guys get a KitchenAid, because it's the best. So go ahead and check out the links in the bottom for this KitchenAid product and some other popular KitchenAid accessories. And if you have any questions about the KitchenAid, let me know, because I use a KitchenAid all the time. Thank you.